Okay, so entering from the front door, you have views of the backyard. You got your living dining room. It's hard to see because it's kind of bright. There we go. You got some travertine floors in here, and hardwood in the entry and the hallways. Okay, so coming down this hall here, your kitchen. We've got some French doors going out to the side courtyard. Stainless steel dishwasher. Thermador range top. You got your double ovens and pantry. Again, hardwood floors throughout here. Nice hardwoods. Little eaten kitchen. And then your family room. I'll go up this side door here. So in the side yard, you got some grass and a tree and some cactus. Guess we'll just follow it right around. And here you got your pool. Right now it's noon. You got pretty much full sun. Cantera stone patio. Nice big patio space. Built-in barbecue. With pieced granite countertop. Big grill, side burner, refrigerator, ice bucket, fireplace. You got a big natural wash behind you, so you're not really looking at any neighbors. Mountain views to that side. All wash behind. And then you have more mountain views this way too. A nice long pool. So you have a side door here going into your living or family room. And then you got doors coming out of your master. This nice covered space.